I've been exploring CloudApps lately, and honestly, it's one of those platforms that makes you realize how much sales performance has changed. The first time I saw it in action, I thought, okay, another CRM add-on. But 5 minutes later, it was clear this isn't just about tracking deals, it's about predicting them. But is CloudApps really the future of revenue intelligence, or just another AI buzzword? Let's find out. So CloudApps is an AI-powered revenue optimization platform built to help companies improve sales performance, forecasting accuracy, and customer retention, all through data and behavioral science. Its main promise is simple: to help leaders maximize revenue faster by using AI to optimize the entire revenue funnel, from prospecting to post-sale. Here's how it works. CloudApps connects with your CRM, analyzes historical and real-time sales data, and uses AI models called Predict AI and Perform to uncover what actually drives success in your team. Predict AI focuses on forecasting and targeting, helping you identify which deals are most likely to close, which customers are most at risk, and where to focus your energy. Perform, on the other hand, uses behavioral analytics to coach your sales team, showing reps what top performers do differently and how they can replicate those habits. What I really love about CloudApps is that it doesn't just dump data, it translates it into action. The platform gives you why something is happening, not just what. You can see real-time insights on deals, personalized coaching prompts for reps, and predictive forecasts that are actually explainable, not black box AI guesses. It's like having a data scientist and a sales coach working side by side with your team. But of course, it's not perfect. CloudApps is built for enterprise-level sales organizations, so it's overkill for small teams. Implementation can take time, especially if your CRM data isn't clean or consistent. And while the analytics are powerful, the real value comes once your team is fully onboarded and actively engaging with the insights. It's a strategic tool, not a plug-and-play quick fix. So who's CloudApps really for? It's perfect for sales leaders, CROs, and enterprise teams who want deeper visibility into their revenue engine. If your business depends on accurate forecasting, performance optimization, and better win rates, this tool is a serious asset. But if you're running a small or early-stage sales team, it might be more horsepower than you need right now. My verdict? CloudApps is one of the smartest revenue intelligence tools I've seen. It turns data into decisions, and decisions into growth. If you're ready to bring AI into your revenue strategy, this platform can give your sales team a measurable edge. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about CloudApps in the comments. I read every single one.